get questions about what should I eat before my workout. Oatmeal with a scoop of protein powder, about half a cup of oatmeal to a cup of oatmeal, a scoop of protein powder for about 30 grams of protein, half a cup of milk, mix that together, have that about an hour before your workout, and then if you want, sometimes I do this, a pre-workout drink, something that gives some added carbohydrates, a little bit of caffeine. It seems to help me with my energy levels. After that, after the workout, within about 15 minutes after, I may have some fruit, maybe an apple. I'll also have something similar to what I had pre-workout. So oatmeal, maybe another scoop of protein powder, and that seems to get me right through. So that's my Lael Souter WNBF Pro personal training tip for the day. If you have any other questions, email me at l.souter@shaw.ca or check out www.laelsouter.com. Keep training hard.